the consequence: Trump, Le Pen, Brexit, etc. Kelly observed that at news, and especially on Sky, the view is that I have to be destroyed because I'm too left-wing, no better than Shorten, despite all the evidence to the contrary. Indeed, he says that on Sky they've lost all interest in Australian politics as a struggle between Labor and the Coalition. Rather, their fascination is between Turnbull, the soft centrist, and Tony Abbott, the muscular conservative, who let them down again and again. Crazy times. They were indeed. David Crowe gave me a similar account in October 2017 when he told me he was going to leave the Australian. I noted, he says the culture there is so negative, so destructive, he can't take it anymore. Says Boris, the editor Paul Whitaker, is fixated on destroying the government and me in particular. Doesn't understand why. Thinks it's because they believe they have a following who click a lot and comment a lot on anything which attacks me and praises Abbott. He sounded very depressed and despairing. It's worth pausing for a moment to reflect on my relationship with the media in general and the Murdochs in particular. Our media culture today is more debased than ever. Traditional curated media has seen its business model smashed by the internet, Google and Facebook in particular, and the crazy fact-free rage of